Welcome back to another video. If you would like to subscribe and share this video, it doesn't cost any money. I greatly appreciate it. Today I'm working on this 2022 Chevy Malibu, and I'll be changing out this airbag here. So let's get right into it. All right, first thing you want to do is take your battery cable off right here, and this is a size 10 mil right here, 10 mil, and just pull it off. Make sure it does not touch. All right, to take off the airbag, well, let's start with this. As you can see right here, as you can see them two, that lever right there, I have an alley wrench in there, a small alley wrench on that side, and then you have one on the other side. Just give me a second. As you can see right there, you have to insert it in that hole right there. Let me get a little closer so you can see it right there. And same thing on this side. Now it's easier if you have two people doing this while you pushing both in at the same time, and somebody pull up on the airbag. It'd be much easier. As you can see that side there, and this side here. So you have to do it at the same time. But after that, you have to pull these tabs out here. I'll show you on the old. This is the old one. All right, now you can have the same problem I had, which is these get stuck off in there. And this car is only a 2022. They stuck, and I tried to pull them out and they ripped. So I had to cut these wires, and I spliced them together on the new ones here. All you really have to do is, you see them orange tabs there, is push it down, as you can see right there, and it's supposed to release it, but mine was seized up in there. So if you have that problem, you may have to splice yours together. I bought the new wire harness for the airbag on eBay, very cheap. I think it was like less than $10 or around $10 or something like that. So we're gonna put in the new airbag, which is basically all I got to do is match the color coats up, and that's it. It sits in just like so, but don't mix up your colors. Now, as you can see, the purple one goes on the purple and the pink goes on the pink. Once you do this, I'm gonna be back with you guys anyway. I'm gonna see if the airbag light goes out. If not, we will have to get a scan tool and reset the computer itself. If this was helpful, make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. But if you want to see the bonus footage, keep watching. All right, I got the car started. As you see that the airbag light is still on, but I can show you the reason why. It is no longer the driver airbag or the knee airbag. I changed both of them, as you can see. So it's not that. Now, basically, it's my seat belts. So let me show you. I'm gonna have to change these seat belts out. I have to find some, but I will be making a video of that. But let me show you why this light is still on. All right, as you can see, this is the seat belt here, and I can't let the seat belt. I can't pull the seat belt out on both sides. So that is the problem with this now. Now, once I fix those two, both driver and passenger side, that light will go out. And like I said, I got to find some seat belts for it, and then we're gonna address the engine light. And after I address the engine light, then I'm gonna take it to the shop, get the bumper. And for those that haven't seen the first video, let me show y'all what's going on with the bumper. All right, as you can see, the bumper is completely off. I already took everything loose. Let me just give y'all a little update anyway. As you can see, the subframe crash bar mount is messed up, but if I had a weld machine, I could fix that myself. And on this side, this one is pushed in. So I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna do that, but I'll probably take it to the shop and let them do it. But thus far, I already got this condenser here, this turbo cooler here, and the radiator here. I already put all that stuff in, so that whole unit right there cost me $500. So if you ever need one, I got it off eBay as well, $500 for it. That airbag that I just installed in the steering wheel cost me $235. Like I said, if this was helpful, make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.